Welcome to Perfect Word Media. My name is J. Monroe Johnson, and today is August the 2nd, 2025. That is the Monroe compound. Today is Saturday. You see an 8-foot high compound wall, a barrier built to stop Albertville City Mayor Tracy Honea's land theft invasion.
Yes.
One more time, King Sonny.
Yes, they did. Yes, that's the reason that wall was put there, to stop the mayor.
Mafioso mayor.
Yes.
Realtor mayor.
Yes.
And therein lies the problem.
Right.
The purpose of government is protection,
Yes.
not profit.
No.
The mayor puts profit over people.
Yes.
And why? As this is stupefying. Why? Well, you see it, a field of dirt.
Yes.
When the mayor found out that this big $1 billion retail outlet development deal was moving in, he set out to destroy us
Yes.
in a bank fraud conspiracy.
True.
Federal crime, folks. And just know this, when you get sentenced to 20 years in federal prison, you're going to do 20 years in federal prison.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Feds
sir.
don't play.
No.
And that is legally referred to as truth in sentencing. And President Ronald Reagan signed that into law.
Yes.
And in essence, he said, look, when the feds sentence someone, the public must know that the feds mean what they say, and they say what they mean.
Yes, they do.
So when you get charged with conspiracy and obstruction of justice, you're going to do 20 years in federal custody. A real tragedy, folks.
Yes.
We ask that you pray for Mafioso Mayor Tracy Honea and Honey's cronies.
Yes.
All for what? The love of money.
Right.
A field of dirt.
Yes.
You might say, I thought it was for power. It is.
Yes, it
I
is.
thought it was for control. It is.
Yes.
I thought it was for resources, political, social, financial. It is.
Mm-hmm.
It's all that in a box of chocolates, folks.
Yes.
That's the Monroe compound right there.
Yes.
It's a shame, isn't it, King Sonny?
Yes, it is.
What people do
For money.
for money.
Yes.
What song you want to hear, King Sonny? The Sound of Silence
Yes.
by the Simon and Garfunkel.
Yes, please.
1960s. You want that new modern remix version?
Yeah, let's do the new mix of it. Yes, it's beautiful.
Who you gonna be thinking about? You gonna be praying for Eugenia and also Mafioso Mayor Tracy Honea.
Yes.
One
Yes.
more time.
Yes. Especially Miss Eugenia.
Here we go. Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. This is a 1960s song with a 2025 remix modification.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because the visions of me creeping left it seems while I was sleeping. And the vision planted in my brain still remain within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone. Neath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people leaving, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fools say that you do not know, silence like a cancer that grows. Hear my words and I might teach you, play my notes and I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. In the sign flashed out his warning, and the words that it was funny. In the sign said the words of the prophets are beyond the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people leaving, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs their voices never share, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence.
King Sonny,
Yes.
what would you say to Tracy Honea if you were to face him in a federal criminal court? Here's the mic.
Well, I would tell him you need to hit your knees and pray to God for forgiveness for what you have done to this family and his family members and friends. Because if you don't get, God's forgiveness, you'll never make it to heaven. And you know that you go to church, but you don't live by God's Bible. You go by the devil's Bible. You and your cronies. So you need to start praying and ask God to forgive you to where you can get to heaven. Thank you.
Thank you, King Sonny. Thank you, United States Federal Judge Corey Landon Mays. God save this honorable court. God save the United States. Peace be with your honor. God is with your honor, always.
Yes.
Amen.
Amen.